This captain and crew maintained Yacht Tender 2017 40 Cuddy by Intrepid Powerboats was built with a few unique modifications and fabrication techniques that deliver an outstanding smooth and dry ride. The vision for building this beauty was for her to be a chase boat which desired high speeds for exploration, but more importantly was looking to run at lower speeds. To accomplish this, the owner added an additional 100-gallon ballast water tank under the forward cabin bunk. He installed Mercury Racing K-plane trim tabs, Mercury active trim, and USA-made Bob's machine jack plates. The boat is powered with cold fusion white triple Mercury Racing 400R outboards. She puts out top speeds of 60 miles per hour and cruises in the low 40s. If comfort is what you're looking for, this 400 Cuddy has plenty of cockpit seating. From its fiberglass folding rear bench seat, to its rear-facing companion seat starboard of the helm, to the popular U-shaped cockpit seating forward of the console, and its complementing portside bench seat, your guests will have plenty of area to sit. As a result of this impressive layout, the captain's helm seat bench is center-lined and surrounded by all comfortable guests. This is perfect for seeing smiling faces at every direction. The helm station is fully loaded with a custom user-friendly Garmin package. From Autopilot to the underwater lights, the radar was even positioned forward for a more sleek and clean look. For the days of surfing and paddleboarding at your favorite places, the beautiful designed roof rack will accommodate any boards of your choice. You gotta love it. It frees up cockpit space to entertain more visitors. For long trips and unexpected harsh weather conditions, a full-sided hard enclosure was installed on this boat. Port and starboard roll-up enclosure doors give you the flexibility to choose when to close off the area. Front and side hard enclosure panels can open to allow all the breeze you need on days you wish to feel the wind. This owner installed the Riviera helm station, which has an electric grill, hot and cold sink, dual refrigeration, a 110 outlet, and storage on port and starboard sides. The swing-in dive door with its industrial-looking stainless steel hardware is evidence of Intrepid's dedication to always lead the industry with design features. From allowing guests to walk aboard from the dock or letting fishermen pull their catch in without interference, you have to appreciate the power of a dive door. Every corner of this boat has an option that makes this boat convenient, practical, and fun. Walking down into the cabin, you will find 3 separate sleeping areas. The high-low electric table converts the settee into a berth. Forward of the berth is a bunk, and a large fixed bed aft to midship. 2 couples and a guest will relish in taking a getaway to their beloved destination. The sleeping layout can also act as 3 separate sleeping quarters for crew. The galley is plenty outfitted for overnighting and daytime entertaining. The head is adequately large for this size boat. With enough headroom and separate shower, your guests will feel comfortable for the weekend trips. The natural light that enters this cabin is enough to keep you relaxed. This particular boat was treated with a ceramic coating from head to toe, extending the life of the boat and giving its owner the satisfaction of an easy-to-clean vessel. The owner spared no expense on this Intrepid. Even the anti-fouling was sprayed on instead of rolled on. Everything about this Intrepid is amazing, from its sleek style to its performance, from the comfort to its utility. All you would expect from Intrepid Powerboats. My name is Stephen Munive with Stephen Munive Yacht Sales, and I want to thank you for letting me walk you through this beautiful boat. You can always connect with me through phone, email, or any of my social media channels. I'll see you on the water. You've earned it.